This is Project Lincoln, an E.C.D custom Range Rover Classic built to our client's exact specification. Lincoln, as its name suggests, is painted in full gloss Lincoln green with black accents. Lincoln sits on 16-inch steel wheels in matching exterior colour with performance road tyres. This Range Rover features a Warrior roof rack, ARB full front bumper and VR10 worn winch. Inside, Lincoln features an original steering wheel, freshly wrapped in leather, OEM front and mid-row seats. The classic Range Rover seats are finished in a single vertical diamond Bellissimo Ons leather, stitched together in mahogany. The load area features an open space for storage. Lincoln is powered by a GM LT1 450 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This Range Rover features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.